Good morning, children. Joyada shared. Today, first we will discuss about the yesterday's homework. I have seen few students have done it very correctly, but few students have not completed it. The question was a triangle ABC was given. It is a right angle at A. Now, the AB, length of AB, length of AC, and length of BC was given. You have to find the area of this triangle, and after finding the area you have to find the height AD, the altitude drawn on BC. You have to find it. Now what you will do, as it is a right triangle, so you can use AB and AC as height and base, because they are perpendicular to each other, as angle A is 90 degree. So area of triangle, half base into height, half into base into height. Base 5 centimeter, length base is 5 centimeter, and height is 12 centimeter. Then product of the length, height and base, 30 centimeter square. Now when the area of this triangle you know, which is 30 centimeter square, easily you can find out the length of AD by using AD as height and BC as base. Now we can write half base into height is equal to 30 centimeter square, where base is 13 centimeter and height is AD. In this way you can find the length of AD. Understood? It was homework, so try to do it first by your own, and afterwards you can check it from here. Now we will start the next exercise, which is 11.3, where we need the circumference of a circle and the area of a circle. When as we have discussed it earlier in one earlier video, it was discussed that when radius of a circle you know, then it is very easy to find the circumference. Circumference means the boundary of the circle. Boundary of the circles you can find out by the formula 2 into pi into r. 2 pi r. Pi means it is a constant number whose value generally we are using 22/7. Now circumference, to find the circumference means the boundary of the circle, the formula is 2 pi r. As it is a length, so it will be, the unit will be either centimeter or meter, whatever it is. So unit, not square unit, only unit. Area of a circle, if you know the radius, then area of a circle pi into radius square by using the radius formula. And as it is unit square, so r square, so it will be square unit. Understood? Now by using these two formula will be needed for the next exercise. Exercise 11.3. Find the circumference of a circle. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Pi is equal to, take pi is equal to 22/7. It is given. When the radius is circle, the following radius is 14 centimeter. In question number A, radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So the circumference we will use capital C. Circumference equal to 2 into pi into r, where 2 value of pi given 22/7 and radius 14 centimeter. 7 2s are 14. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 into 22 centimeter, it is 88 centimeter. So the boundary of the circle, or the circumference of the circle whose radius is 14 centimeter, is 88 centimeter. Next question. When the radius is 28 millimeter, radius 28 millimeter, then circumference equal to 2 pi r. circumference, putting value 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 28, and as the unit is millimeter, so I have to write millimeter here. 7 4 the circumference is equal to 8 into 22, 4 to the 8 into 22, 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, 117 millimeter. So the circumference is 176 millimeter. Come to the next question. Find the area of the following circles when radius is given. Okay, here question number C. When radius is 21 centimeter, you have to find the circumference, and I have given it as your homework. So to question number C, when radius equal to 21 centimeter, find the circumference. Circumference, it is your homework. Understood? Come to the next question. Find the area of the following circles given that radius is this. By using this radius, and remember that formula pi r square, to find the area, you can find the area of the circle when radius equal to 14 millimeter. Therefore area of the circle pi r square, where the value of pi is given 22 by 7. Here also it is given pi is equal to 22 by 7. In your question book also it is given. So area of pi r square, the value of pi equal to 22 by 7, and value of r 14 square. That means 14 will come 2 times. Remember the exponents. Area equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. What will be the unit? Square millimeter or millimeter square, or you can write square millimeter also. Same thing, millimeter square or square millimeter. Now cancel it. 2. Now you multiply it. 44 into 14, again you multiply it. The result will be 616 square millimeter. Understood? Next question is, when the diameter is 49, you know diameter is 49 meter, but our formula is we can use radius only. So radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is 49 by 2 meter. By using this value, we can find the area of a circle. Area pi r square, value of pi 22 by 7, r square means 49 by 2 into 49 by 2 square meter or meter square. Now if it is possible to cancel it. 7 7 ja 2 11 ja 22. 77 into 49 by 2 meter square. When area is equal to 77 into 49 by 2, you multiply it. Use the rough work. You will get this one, and afterwards dividing by 2, the answer is this. Now these two, if you understand properly, then you can find this. When the radius is 5 centimeter, find the area of the circle. Understood? Come to the next question. Now in question number 3, read the question. If the circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. If you find the diameter, if you find the radius, then easily you can find the area of the sheet. And when circumference is given, that means 2 pi r is given. The value formula is 2 pi r is equal to circumference of a circle. So when the value of 2 22 by 7 given, pi value of pi is given 22 by 7. Radius we don't know, but the circumference 154 is given, 154 meter. Now what you can do, 2 into 2 44 r by 7 is equal to 154. By using the idea of a simple equation, you can find 44r is equal to 154 into 7 and radius equal to 154 into 7 by 44. Cancel it, 4 11 ja 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44, again 2 2 ja 2 7 ja. That means radius equal to 7 7 ja 49 by 2 meter. Therefore radius of the circle, what was the radius of the circle? 49 by 2 meter, or you can write 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8.5, yes, 24.5 meter radius. By using this radius you can find the area of the circle. Therefore area of the circle equal to pi r square, 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2 meter square. 7 7 ja 2 11 ja, so again 77 into 49 by 2. Remember the value. Now 77 into 49 by 2, multiply this, you will get 3773 by 2, and if you divide it you will get this one. So area of the circle whose radius is 49 by 2 or 24.5, you will get the area. Understood? Now the next and the last one is, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Fencing a circular garden means you have to find the circumference of the circle. When you are fencing a circular garden, you have to find the circumference of the circle. It is a circular garden whose diameter say 21 meter. Diameter is 21 meter. If the diameter is 21 meter, then radius is equal to 21 by 2 meter. Find the length of the rope needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of the fence. When you are fencing the circular garden, that means you need to find the perimeter of the circle. So the perimeter of the circle, circumference of the circle, circumference equal to 2 into pi into r, or 2 pi are same thing. 2 into value of pi is given 22 by 7, 22 by 7, and radius 21 by 2. Cancel it, 7 3s are 2 2s are, so it is 66 meter. When circumference is 66 meter, that means if you make one round fencing, that means you need 66 meter of rope. But he makes 2 rounds of the fence. So to make 2 rounds of the fence, for 2 rounds of fencing, he needs 2 into 66 meter of rope. That means 132 meter. Understood? Now next question was, next part of the question is, he makes 2 rounds. Also find the cost of the rope. If it costs 4 per meter, rupees 4 per meter, therefore cost of the rope equal to rupees 4 into 132 meter, sorry, 132, rupees 4 into 132. Now if you multiply this, you will get 8, 12, 528 rupees. Understood? I hope whatever we have discussed here you will understand, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the class. Thank you, students.